Crawfords are at it again, but this time it's a covert operation. The hubby has a work conference in Anaheim, and I'm thinking of doing a Disney soft launch with the toddler. Will she like it and want more, or be underwhelmed and unbothered? Who knows? So come along with us. You excited, Journey Bernie? Wait, come here. Give me your hand, please. Thank you. Come on. So, we're doing a little staycation for me. Work for David. Will work for me too. You know, we try to find ways to, since we're not traveling internationally. Well, I don't want to say anymore, just the last few months of the year, unless he's going to surprise me. We've just been doing work trips and staycations, so we're gonna make the most out of it. Yeah. You see Minnie? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Nice. Mickey Balboa. Yeah, nice cup. Yeah. You got so many cups, so it ain't funny. That's $16. Oh, that was cute.
A camera. Take
Here, take that one.
take that one.
House or wait for our house. Our house.
Oh, nice. Mommy.
You got your own bed?
Oh, big.
Is that the one you're claiming?
I can't let me climb it,
That one or this one?
baby. This one.
That one? Oh, okay. So you get to see the view. Alright, so we just got the place cleaned. We did get upgraded to a suite. However, the suite that they upgraded us to wasn't renovated, so it was gonna be like the old suite, everything brown on brown on brown. So we just decided to stay in a regular room that has been renovated. So as you can see, this is with two beds. That this one here is talking about she has her own bed. But yeah, I don't know. I have a thing about brown on brown on brown on brown hotel suites. Unless it's supposed to be that way, I'm like, no, I want something renovated. But anyway, we're gonna relax for a few minutes and grab something to eat. Morning. We had a pretty rough night. We got the little miss down early, but then she decided to wake up at 2:30 and not go back to sleep until 5:30.
Hi, I'm Maka. I think I come on the holidays because stuff is called my class. I don't know what I don't. Because what it is.
Working on her YouTube channel. So, yeah, she got out of her bed, jumped into ours, and decided to stay up all night.
All night.
So,
Baby, it's gonna
David's already down at his conference. He had to leave bright and early. I feel so bad for him. So he's gonna come in and try to crash. I mean, you know. So I'm gonna do is Operation tire her out so that she will knock out tonight so that we can get some sleep. So I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna have her work out with me. And then we're gonna go and explore. See what we can get into. Don't tire yourself up. Oh, Lord. Fun fact, David and Journey have never been to Disney. I've always gone to Disney World. I've never gone to Disneyland, so I'm kind of biased. But I want to take them both to Disneyland. But since David's in a conference, it wouldn't be right of me to just take her to Disneyland and he missed out on the experience. So I was looking at downtown Disney to take her there, look at the shops and everything. And look what she's doing. And she should be asleep, but I'm like, girl, my inner child is screaming and I need my partner and she's asleep. My partner is awake. So we are downtown Disney. Thought this would be a little cute soft lunch for us. One more for Journey. It's the shops and the restaurants and things. I think that'd be cute for her to see right now. So now we're just trying to figure out how to get inside. Parking wasn't bad. $10 for 4 hours. I don't think we're gonna be here that long. Well, we might, but yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. So, all right, we're gonna check it out. All right, so the soft lunch is going well. I think we need to just like dive right on in because she is like, I want everything, I want everything. She's having a time and spending all the money too. You see, we already got ears and we hadn't even been here 5 minutes. She's like, I need my ears. And where's Minnie Mouse? Yeah, hi. Yeah, some mugs. See? Yeah, Jack Skellington. See Encanto, Mirabelle. I think you want bubbles, right? Yeah, you want the bubbles. Come on, let's look. Let's see if we can find bubbles. My inner child is really happy. I haven't been to Disney World in over a decade. So to see her happy. Look, Journey, say hey. Say hey. So to see her happy and all excited, it's like, you're healing my inner child. Forgot how much I loved it here. Okay. I'd say that downtown Disney was a success. Right here, and it's like music is about to start now in this little green area. But we're gonna be heading out. We gotta eat some more food, but pretty good use of the money. She spent all my money, but we're heading out for today.